Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power off or lock the watch and place it face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Hold the case firmly with one hand, locate the small release button at the end of the band slot. Press the button inward and slide the strap straight out parallel to the watch body. Don't tilt it. You're separating the rail from the slot. Pressing and sliding avoids bending pins and reduces wear. Once done with the first side, move to any stubborn band. You press and hold the release fully, then push the strap straight out while keeping even pressure. If it resists, use a soft plastic tool or your thumbnail, not metal. Make sure to check the rail and slot for grit. Debris can jam the mechanism. If dirty, brush gently or wipe with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl dampened minimally. You're protecting the catch so it slides. You finish by aligning the new or clean strap rail with the slot and sliding it straight in until you hear or feel a click. Once attached, give a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Magnetic or loop bands should sit flush against the case. If the band won't seat, press the release button again while sliding, wiggle slightly, and clean debris out. If the mechanism is damaged or still stuck after careful attempts, stop and contact Apple or an authorized service provider for repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.